Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe from COVID-19. Today is your English language turn and today I am going to explain chapter 5. See, this is chapter 5. Name of the chapter is nouns. As we all know that noun is the name of any person, place, things or animals. Let us see what is in this chapter. Every sentence is made up of words. As we all know, this is also a sentence and it made up with words. How many words are here? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words together makes a sentence. Words are provided into different kinds of classes according to their use, that is, according to the work they do in a sentence. These classes are called parts of speech, and these are called parts of speech. The first parts of a speech is noun. As we all know, the first parts of a speech is noun. Now see what is given. Look at the following sentences. Anil is tall. The dog is playing. Akansha is going to the school. This pen is beautiful. And see what is given about this. Anil is the name of a person. Here is dog. Dog is the name of an animal. Akansha is going to school. School is the name of a place. And this pen is beautiful. Pen is the name of a thing. Thus, Anil, dog, school and pen are naming words. These are naming words. Naming words are called nouns, and we can say in short, naming words are called nouns. Now we can see exercise related to this. What is given? Look at these pictures and write P for person. For persons, you have to write P, P-I, P-L for places, T for things and A for animal's name in the boxes provided beside the pictures. That means you have to write P for person, PL for place, T for thing and A for animal's name. Like this, some I have done. This is cow, it's an animal, so I have written A. Same like this, this is chair. Chair is a thing, I have written T. Sohan, Sohan is a person, so I will write P for person. Okay, so you have to complete this exercise. Same like this. See the next. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. You have to underline the nouns in the following sentences. Like, New Delhi is the capital of India. So, New Delhi is a place and India. These both are noun. Same like this, you have to do these all exercises. Next, underline all the nouns in the following story. Here is a short story, you can read this and you have to underline the nouns. Like a rabbit. Rabbit is an animal, so you can underline this. And you have to read this. Was lying under a tree in a jungle. Tree is also a thing. Jungle is a place. Same like this, you have to read this story and underline nouns. So watch this video carefully and complete these exercises.